Welcome to the 12th tutorial in the InterMine Python tutorial series. This tutorial will cover some more functionalities of a query. Queries are the basis of all research in InterMine. Being able to manage them more effectively is always useful. First, we create a query object like we saw earlier, and select the gene symbol and organism as the wheels. Let's say that the query is not as simple as a strict cumulative filter, and the user wants combinations of constraints. For example, the user wants all genes such that the gene symbol is either if or then. This can be incorporated in the following way using set logic and the pipe operator to signify all. Here we can see the output. It returns two symbols which are exactly if and then. The query results can be converted into a dictionary using row2d method in the following way. Similarly, row2l can be used for conversion of the results into a list. Count can be used to print the total number of rows in a query. So here the result is 2. XML can be used to return a readable XML serialization of the query. This can also be copy-pasted and imported into the InterMine user interface. Clear wheel can be used to clear the output column list, which deletes all entries currently in the wheel list. It is contrary to add wheel. In this way, queries can be utilized to a greater extent and produce more fruitful results. Next tutorial will tell you about the query manager and how it can be utilized to make better use of queries. Thank you for watching.